twatangiye tayari dutangira muyenza agace kitwa Thessaloniki muri Greece hehe mu Bugiriki Greece Thessaloniki haruwazaga haramwe cyangwa handi za mu cyumba 208
waba waragufasha mu buvuzi bwa kinyarwanda gana muganga gakondo ufashe afasha abantu benshi kurokoka urupfu ndetse n'izindi ndwara zari kubagira ingaruka zikomeye kuko bagize amahitamo meza bakongera kubaho neza ubuzima kandi buzira umuze. Muganga gakondo afasha abantu bose gutandukana n'indwara zirimo nk'amarozi y'ubwoko bwose, nyabingi, ibihato, ibitegano, ibihuhirano, inyatsi ndetse n'igicuri, hakiyongeraho n'amarozi y'ibigaburano. Akarusho kandi ku ndwara y'umwijima, impyiko, igifu, kunanirwa gutera akabariro bashakanye ndetse n'indwara rubagimpande. Abafite ibyo bibazo bose muganga gakondo abakoraho rikaka. Kubifuza ubutunzi namwe ndetse n'uruhereko ni mugane muganga gakondo kuko mwe mwashyizwe igorora. Kuba tuye mahanga namwe igisubizo cyabonetse mwashyizwe igorora. Nta mpamvu yo gusiragira mu gahangayika mwibaza uko ubuvuzi bwabageraho kuko dukorana na DHA tukabagezaho imiti yacu.
Ese nuko wareze ifoto n'amazina tukabafashirizaho muri
kubindi bisobanuro hamagara kuri nimero ya telefone ikurikirana. Kubabuza urubyaro namwe muze muganga gakondo abiteho abahereze umuti hanyuma mugende mu byare bungura kogasha. Erega hamagara nicyo gishoro dufite giko.
Mugabo yambaye akagofero bwaceye neza.
I'm alone just as we agreed.
Ati ndijyanye ngo twabyumvikanye.
Of course you are.
Ati cyane ko kuri wenyine.
You're very ambitious.
Wa mugore rwose urambitious, ufite gahunda mu byukora.
And you know this story is gold.
Kandi none inkuru ngiye kuguha ni zahabu. Mugabo asanga amuze ni inkuru sizi inkuru bwoko ki?
Did you bring it?
Ese wagizanye?
No fan of US intelligence.
Ati humura rwose nanjye ntago nkunda ubutasi bw'abanyamerika.
You're a little short on the details.
Ati humura ndagwa detail.
Thing we met.
Ati ubwo duhugiye ko ni inkuru twika. Mugabo arangije. Mbanzo umuntu bahuye ari umunyamakuru. Ati nanjye ntago ubutasi bw'abanyamerika. Madame arangije. Bana ibyandiko.
How did you...
Does it matter?
Wabikoze ute unatibye ntago bikureho nakuye amakuru. Cyangwa usaba nshirira inkuru hanze.
You can't have them.
Ushatse wana bifotora.
You can take photos.
Bifotore washaka posting ahantu hose hose. Madame arangije. Bana yo telefoni. Tangira gufotora. Bakaba basa nk'ari abasirikare batari ba mercenaries. Mafoto atandukanye ibinyamakuru bite.
Camel could destroy the US.
Ati none byo tugiye gupostinga birarimbura Amerika aho bigeze.
Yes.
Cyane.
Many will die.
Abenshi baraza gupfa, many will die. Mudamu na arafotora. Ko mugambo bwanga abenshi barapfa. Bana yimbunda. Mudamu.
And you called me.
Ariko ni wampamagaye.
You want the story out there.
Washaka nkiri inkuru hanze sibyo?
I do.
Ni yagwamagaye koko.
Unfortunately for you.
Kandi nabikoze ku bwawe.
I want to be the one to do the telling.
Ahubwo ari ushaka kuza kwivugira inkuru. Tayari. Oh. Sasa ni bwatinze.
CIA murdering journalists.
Sasa kwitangaza makuru na kintu yatangiye kuvuga ati CIA imeje nayica abanyamakuru.
German journalist Greta.
Hari umudamu umudage yitwa Greta
Becker was found dead.
Bamusanze muri hoteli yo mu Bugiriki.
Sparking protests across.
Nta kindi byatangiye guteza imyigaragambyo mu Burayi hose muri Europe. Bavuga ati amaze gupfa umunyamakuru wa gatatu. Ku banyamakuru bose bagiye bavuga kuri US intelligence CIA. Baba bagenda bakora icyo bita analyse kutangaza makuru.
Minister of Foreign Affairs.
Sasa umwe mu banyamakuru mu bano mpuzamahanga Foreign Affairs w'umugiriki yagize icyo bivugaho. Uwitwa Costas.
No punches when asked about the incident.
Yavuze ngo ibingibi rwose binago bikwiye.
For decades, the United States has
rwose imyaka imaze rwose Amerika imaze igihe yitwara nabi, yitwara ku bindi bihugu byitwaraho nabi.
The days of the CIA treating Europe like the Wild West.
Iminsi ya Amerika cyangwa se CIA kwitwara kuri ku Burayi bwose ukishatse isa nkaho ishaka kontrola ibindi bihugu ntibwatinze. Tugaruka kuri CIA headquarters ku biro bikuru bya CIA muri Langley, Virginia. Sasa harwaje arasaba abanyamakuru biri kwitwa ko ari CIA iri kwica abanyamakuru bano bakora ubusesenguzi ku bikorwa bya CIA bose bari mu Burayi. Ibwatinze mu gitondo cya kare Arakani na Dobrev mwibuke muri Vampire Diaries.
Hey.
Yewe biti.
You need to show up.
Agiza ko bwaragaye mu kazi.
As you have no life?
Ase kunda ko ijoro nta buzima ufite ntujya uryama.
Focus.
Ati yo mose nijoro abandi batashye bimfasha gufokasinga.
Jack and shit.
Ati ana bijyana mufitiye.
We're staying at has no CCTV.
Ati umudamu witwa Greta Becker na kamera zamufasha yiciwe.
So I've scanned the streets around and the
Ati nakuri izindi kamera zo ku mihanda.
station opposite.
Mfatana ni mashusho kuri za train station ku mihanda ya gari ya moshi.
I did see a nun traveling with a full drum kit.
Ati rwose nta mansi yarigeze mbonamo hano ariko nari ndafata ka flash.
Said I already checked those.
I know.
Ati batsenga ko muzanga bishaka kuna TV ndabyikorera ndareba ama video yose yaho umudamu yapfira imande ya hoteli. Waundi Greta Becker. Ni bwatinze. Uko bagatashye wa mukobwa Kate aza hakuno. Akomeza ijoro ryose. Areba ku mihanda za gari ya moshi. Arebye neza. Abona kuri gari ya moshi yaruwaje yambaye akagofero. Gitonze uko abanyeshuri bafataga selfie bavuye muri gari ya moshi, arasikaninga nakarazuminga. Arebye neza mu ifoto. Atera zoom hari umugabo yambaye akagofero uri inyuma. Mwanda wera.
Sir, I've been trying to reach you. Check your
Ati rwose afana nagerageje guhamagara.
check your email.
Urebe kuri email yawe.
Breakfast.
Ati nimo nafata bya mu gitondo.
This is urgent.
Nyakubaye biri hutirwa. Jya kuri email yawe urebye nakoherereje ubutumwa bugufi. Bose nabakozi ba CIA. Rangije za kuri machine. Hasi nibiki ndi kureba.
Security footage from the
Ni kamera zo ku mihanda.
Thessaloniki train
Monika gace ka Thessaloniki mu Bugiriki.
station 2 days ago.
Iminsi ibiri ishize.
Our guys already combed this. Why are you
Ariko
waiting?
bagenzi banjye barabimpaye.
My time.
Kuki muri abyangiza umwanya wanjye unyoreza ibifoto bamaye kera.
Because they missed this.
Bakohereje video ariko hari ibintu utabonyemo. Kobwa za hakuno.
Victor Radek.
Harimo umuntu witwa Victor Radek. Kuzuminga neza ari umuntu wari uri inyuma y'abasore bifotozaga.
You told Thessaloniki?
I haven't told
Bivuze ngo abakozi bacu bari mu Thessaloniki.
anyone.
Ati nawe ndabwira.
What do you know about him?
None se n'icyo umuzi.
So his file was redacted. So
Ati byari ko byo barabisibye.
Billion born in Greece, but
Aba basore bavukiye mu Bugiriki.
up all over.
Aranja kuri nawe.
Died
Apfa amezi 18 ashize.
18 months ago. They never found his body.
Usibye ko ntabwo babonye umurambo we. Sasa wa mugabo Victor Radek barace wa munyamakuru Becker bivuga ko muri CIA ngo amaze amezi 18 apfuye.
He was a covert CIA operative.
Ati uyu mugabo yakoze akorera CIA mu buryo bw'ibanga.
Intermediary between the Greek and Russian.
Ati twamwohereje kujya kwica abamafia b'Abarusiya n'Abagiriki mu myaka ya kera.
Came for us over there.
Sasa ubu nicyo gihe twongeye tumukurikirana. Tugaruka muri Philadelphia USA. Sasa wa mugabo Radek ngo yigeze gukorera CIA mu myaka ya kera ahiga abamafia b'Abarusiya n'Abagiriki. Araka Aaron Eckhart nagarutse muri aka masaha mu gitondo ari muri Philadelphia. Dukiye mu kazi nk'abandi bose. Tayari Munyanzu umugabo n'umwubatsi aza ku ishansiye Tondo. Yego cyane rwose pe ndavuga nibyo. Abari benshi ariko ntacyo.
Yeah, hold on a sec.
Ako naza muri biro.
Can I help you?
Nagufasha.
Evil.
Ati ni Steve Vale. None.
I'm the bricklayer.
Ati ni je mwubatsi waje ari narigeze njya filime Bricklayer. Bwatinze aza kunyubako hejuru. Umufundi wese bafite udukoresho twibanze umwiko hakuno. Hano no gucomoramo amatafari yagiye yangirika atera amayandi. Namunubi yiwe. Tayari. Genda hinduranya amatafari. Masaha y'akagoroba. Abakozi bose ba government aza muri kapoze. Ati njye mu byo nkunda kurya rwose murabizi nimero 5. Ataraka ibyo kurya rohise bivuga. Mugabo arangije murashaka icyano. Babakozi ba CIA bavuye Langley Virginia bataza muri Philadelphia.
And an old friend stopped by to say
hello. Yewe twari inshuti zakira tukatuje gusuhuza.
Is that what we are?
Ni mpamvu muri hano se.
Friends, enemies, in our business there's no distinction.
Mu kazi ka CIA abanzi n'inshuti bisa nkaho byose naho bitaniye.
Someone's trying to blackmail the CIA.
bisa nkaho ari umuntu ushaka gusebya CIA ayisiga izina ribi.
They're sending messages with bodies attached.
Barimo barahereza ubutumwa buherekejwe n'imirambo.
All journalists who have made careers going after US intelligence abroad.
Ati barimo barica buri munyamakuru wese wigeze agerageza kwinjirira CIA asa nk'uzana ubusesenguzi bwinshi kuri CIA ayivugaho nayo bari kumwica kugira ngo byitirirwe CIA ko ari irimo irica abanyamakuru.
They're trying to make it look like the CIA is doing the killing.
Barimo baragerageza kugaragaza ko CIA ari irimo irica abanyamakuru.
Whoever's doing the blackmailing possesses classified information
Ati byanga byakunda umuntu urimo urakora ibi ngibi n'usanga afite amakuru ahagije kuri CIA.
that could bring down our entire global network.
No kugira ngo ashyire hasi entire global network aho CIA hose ikorera ayisiga izina ribi.
We think it's Victor Radek.
Kandi turimo turacyakura kuri murabikora ari Victor Radek.
Radek's one of the most dangerous men I've ever known, baby.
Ati Radek niwe muntu umubiri ngeze mura naye kuri iyi si.
He killed innocents.
Usibye ko Radek nubwo yicaga abantu nigeze yica inzira karengane.
I watched them die.
Ati namubonye umunsi yapfaga. Sasa unagaza yuko Radek ari muzima.
None of this tracks.
Nta nubwo wamenya nawe ari rwose nzi ko yapfuye. Arangije
Recognize this pretty face?
uyu mugabo waba umwibuka.
Boris Babov,
Ati ndamuzi.
Russian smuggler, bad
Yari rwose umurusiya akunda gucuruza za forode.
breath.
Yavugaga amagambo mabi.
Babov died in a boating accident
Ati imyaka ibiri ishize yapfiriye muri accident y'ubwato.
outside of the port of Thessaloniki.
Yari ari ku cyambu cya Thessaloniki.
Accident.
Yari impanuka
Right.
cyane.
Was a hit
Ariko yarishwe.
performed by Radek,
Yishwe na Radek
commissioned by the CIA.
kandi yari yaratumwe na CIA. Rangije
This photo of Popov was found at the scene of Greta Becker's murder.
ati iyi foto yaje gusangwa aho abanyamakuru Greta Becker yiciwe.
You know what this means, don't you?
Ese nidizera ko ibyo mvuga ubisobanukiwe. Radek yica umuntu imyaka ibiri ishize amaze kwicira mudamu Greta Becker w'umudage wari umunyamakuru ahita afata ifoto y'umugabo yica imyaka ibiri ishize arayasiga.
Means Radek is back.
Mushaka ko Radek se yazutse.
He's got secrets to tell.
Bivuze ngo afite abanga ashaka kuvuga.
No longer just a cursory fact finding.
Ibyo ntabwo ari byo kubaza impamvu yagarutse.
We need to bring him in.
Turashaka aho ugenda umuzani.
That's why I want you to go to Greece
Niyo mpamvu ushaka kujya mu Bugiriki
with her.
ukajyana n'uyu mukobwa. Sasa umugabo yarajya ava mu kazi ka CIA ajya kwibera umugende umufundi.
Sir,
Nyakubahwa
You know,
Uri murakira.
it's contacts, networks.
uriya mugabo mwarakoranye Radek uzi imico yuzi imitwarize ye.
I can brief someone else.
Mushaka undi mubwira rwose akazi ka CIA nakavuyemo.
Someone with more experience.
Mushaka undi muntu ufite ubuhanga buhambaye.
We don't know who's compromised.
Ntabwo tuzi ushaka ko dutuma.
Right now, only the three of us know that Radek is
Usibye ko twuko twicara kuri table turi batatu ngo tuzi ko Radek ari muzima.
alive. It stays that way.
Niyo mpamvu dushaka ko biguma gutyo.
Son non grata with the agency.
Ntabwo napfa kujyana n'umuntu utazi ibintu bya agency.
I can't even enter Greece legally.
Usibye n'ibyo ntabwo napfa kujya mu Bugiriki gutyo gusa ngo nege indege.
This isn't sanctioned bail.
Niyo mpamvu nawe uri bugere mu buryo bw'ibanga.
Working around
Uragenda nawe papuro.
Greeks and Interpol,
Uraza kuba ukorera rwose ku butaka bw'Ubugiriki ariko
as well as our own people.
sir,
na Interpol harimo abantu bacu turi bukorera nabo.
I really think that you should reconsider
Ariko hari ibintu nshaka gusobanukirwa nyakubahwa.
sending someone a little bit more credentialed.
Ndashaka rwose mwohereze undi muntu ushoboye.
I agree.
Ndabyemera rata.
She wouldn't last 24 hours on the ground.
Ndakeka uyu mukobwa atamara n'amasaha 24 ku butaka bw'Ubugiriki.
I was talking about you.
Ahubwo nawe navugaga ntabwo ushoboye akazi.
Enough.
Sasa agakobwa kabonye se burajya kuzana umuntu w'umufundi karamusuzugura ngo bashaka umuntu ushoboye akazi. Biraje.
Your fuck up, Vale, and you need to fix it
Veil ibintu byazambye ugomba kujya ukabikemura.
before he starts coming for you.
Ahubwo nawe bibaye byiza wagenda ukamwataka kuko niwe wamwishe mbere yuko akwataka. Sasa uyu yivugeza kwivugana mugenzi we bakoranaga muri CIA Radek. None Radek yagarutse aza guhangana na CIA. Uyu agomba kumwiga hakiri kare nawe ataramwivugana.
Unless, of course, you want to do it for your country.
Kandi kibaye byiza wabikora bikorera igihugu cyawe.
I'm done with my country.
Njye n'igihugu cyanjye twararangizanyije.
Fix your own fucking mess.
Nubundi muzanye mu wundi mwanda niwo ngiye gukemura nta kundi. Umuntu nivuganya kuba yazutse. Nanjye agiye kumpiga. Va nimero do. Yirirwa yibumbira amatafari. Yabaye umufundo wari umukozi wa CIA. Asanga umuntu ngacuruza inyanya ngo mu isoko hepfira Nyabugogo. Kumbe ni ba nimero. Do. Iryo joro rimwe. Tayari. Umugabo sasa nawe kweri nambara yagiye acamo. Ibyinshi yagiye acamo. Wari umunsi umwe ari ku mazi. Bwana zazaga zimusuza bamwita uncle. Ngo nkunda kubumba amatafari. Kumba dore wa mugabo Radek. Yari afite umugore n'abana nziza. Bitaga uyu mugabo Veil ngo ni uncle wabo. barabana bande baradek barangije bafata agafoto arabyibuka bose bakoreraga CIA kiraho sasa umurubavu tayari sasa bamubwiye ngo mugenzi wawe Radek ubwo ari muzima naraguhiga masasu muri iryo joro rimwe nta kabunda naki bamuhaye ry'urubavu tayari banaga kapuke fata hakuno scotch arihambira maraso rekere kuva no kubaho kamajeshi fata umugozi ndangije gahunda tayari paka hasi banamo ikigozi nakubwiye once soja reza komando bayo umusirikare rimwe mutima uhora uri wa wundi fata hakuno cyafime ndangije ya berinete bambara imara reberamo bagenzi be bamuteye sinzana banyoherejeho kugera abo buri umuntu cyangwa kurya sha baba raka nyuma y'umusore rimwe amiyaga acaho piti nyundo n'amiyaga etsimba hakuno kiramo irindi sasu naga igikasike bati tafari mugabo urarame tafari ry'agahanga n'amiyaga bayo barambarana tayari sabiti nyundo yewe abahangayira muri abasore gisore biti nyundo mu ntoki gifata fera beto yewe fera beto y'ibitugu bagabo bata fera beto turore yewe rangije ekira cupa bagabo ziragigira bose abasore yarashaje ariko rangije afata ya metero bapimisha imyenda afata metero mwijosi vuba jobira korora umusenzi munagamo hakuno bagabo barariwe amena beto abagabo barariwe amaze kumena beto saa tuzasubira wowe kireguka musenzi sana reba neza niba nta wundi kumbe papagasi kugera abona bagenzi be banayo ka pisto kumbe veila na hafi nawe baragigira fata yewe data we umwiko afata mwiko mu rubavu mwiko namufundo vira maho yewe sasa bagabo bati tafari nakuvira maho akuvira maho kagabo baragigira bari kuri etaje hejuru fata hakuno kigabo kimwipangarikaho kigabo uri murakorera nde Radek wa mugenzi Victor Radek yakwereje inasho sends his regards parika nabi akamenya ko bano nabo batumwe na Radek ariyo baramubwiraga ku mango ngo ajye guhiga ajye mu bugiriki ariko nawe kubera parika hejuru y'ikigabo baramanukana paka munsi sasa bari kuri cya sanseri bazamuramo imicanga baracyagigira naho rubanda bari amabuye bagabo ntago bumva cya moteri kizamura esanseri nacyo ko bakicundaho bagabo databwe sasa ano aracu wambaye rangije ambira ikigabo hakuno kureba neza azamukira hano ku ruhande moteri yacika turore baka hasi uwo yaragiye guhiga ataranabitekereza amwoherereza intashyo namwe murebe indashyo za gisirikare bwatinze umugabo hakuno yari yanze kujya mu bugiri cyati uragenda buforode kaga kobwa biratunguranye bwa hindi intekerezo zawe.
Cut yourself shaving?
Nta naganda ufite kwiyogoshesha.
Friends.
Yewe ngiye gusura n'ubundi nshuti za kera.
Oh, you brought your tools. Can you
Aza ko twaje ibikoresho byawe by'ubwubatsi.
take this seriously?
Ntabwo byo wigira nk'akazi kari seriye.
Never do a job without my tools.
Ntabwo nyakora akazi kanjye ka CA nafite ibikoresho byanjye.
Zero.
Ndi umufundi. Ntabwo byumvikana.
Not building a chimney.
Ugiye guhiga abantu ntabwo ugiye kubaka.
If you understood everything I said.
Niba basobanukiye ibyo navuze byose.
Me.
Uzaba nkanjye. Akobwa gafite akantu k'agasuzuguro kareba bana ashaje. Ntabwo ashoboye igihugu.
Musician of all time.
Hasi kwa kunda gucuranga cyo bivuyemo. Abanye kunde ibintu by'imiziki.
Big assignment for you.
Ataraje kariko kazi kamera ugiye gakomeye.
No supervisors?
Hasi na supervisor ufite.
Supervisor.
Nije supervisor bawe nigiri bugucunge. Ndondebera uruhinja ruje gucunga umuntu.
Find Radic.
Yaro gushaka Radic.
I'll give you reports every.
Umurano nyimvagire mukazajya gwa raporo.
Me space to do my thing.
Kandi nawe umumwanya azajya nkora akazi kanje nukomeza kunkurikirana.
Thing goes right, you just might end up promoted.
Ati umuranye nzabikora neza kandi uzazamuka mu mapeti.
Really funny.
Ya ntago bisekeje.
All likely.
Agakobwa bakazanye ngo kambere supervisor ibyo akora byose gatanga raporo.
Because I believe in what we're doing.
Ese kuchirana ngo nizeye ibyo turimo turakora?
Of course you do.
Cyane rwose urabyizeye.
Yes, why?
Ati buri muntu yifuza kuba maneko.
Till they realize the cost.
Ariko iyo maze kumenya igiciro cyabyo nicyo bisaba.
Lost years.
Yaci imyaka kwicuza impamvu.
Relationships.
Iyo ugiye muri kano kazi kaba maneko ubaho nta muryango nta nshuti ntaki.
Pets.
Yawe ukabona n'imbwa wita inshuti. Bwabo bwo mu rugo. Icyo bita kuba maneko. Iyo yaje gato n'umuryango wawe wawubura.
Operations briefing on our way over. Looks like we're
Reka bande nce muri ibi byandiko byawe by'amateka yawe yashyizemo ekuteri. Umugabo urara warasuzugura. Gatangiye kumushyana kubitamo ekuteri araryama. Uraza nango sinzi ngo warize ariko twigiye kuri tere. Gakobwa kagiye mu ndege kasoma. Kumva ko umuntu kari gukurikirana uyuwe babanye ari umuvandimwe n'abana ba Radic bari bazi yuko uyu mugabo ari tonto wabo. Kureba gutya ibivuga kuri uyu mugabo na Radic barabisibye ni veil. Victor Radic yaje kubura umuryango umugore n'umwana, umugore cyane ko yaratwita umwana wa kabiri. Namakuru arahari kadasobanutse. Umuntu ushaka kwereka CIA akaba ari ushaka kwiteranya n'isi yose. Uri hari ikibyisha inyuma. Fata flash arya agakopi.
time to wake up.
Yewe cyo gihe cyo gukanguka. Wakabwira ko gutereka ikubise hasi aza kugatora arakambara. Harimo ibigoma bya kera byagoswe bya jazz bya zamani.
Miles Davis.
Ezo ngoma zari utwa Miles Davis. Kumbe yanakumvaga ati ndege irimo landing ati ingaye Philippos Airport Kozani muri Greece.
You drive.
Ati nori butware. Modoka ni za government tayari. Maniga nacha kwivuna. Baratangira.
Take the next exit.
Yewe cha muyindi zira.
The GPS says to stay on this.
None se GPS igomba kunyereka aho tugomba kurara. Ndavuze ngo ica handi.
Gentleman's break.
Nje nk'umugabo ni ugomba kumenya aho ngomba kurara. CIA na igomba kumitira aho ngomba kurara. Nkamaneko agomba kwishakira aho ngomba kurara.
What?
Pareka ku ruhande. Pareka mbere ko baturasa. Sasa umugabo hanaje aza mu mahegeni. Nkuko umuntu wambwira ngo tugiye ahanana akipakira tari nyoto. Aza mu barara. ko yakaje.
How do you like my pop-up?
Mwana Kivandi. Kumbe we after barara azina mu bugira ikibazo man. Yo bro ntabwo nzi kuzagaruka man. Geza kubona mwana man. Mwana maze gusaza.
You're looking good.
Mwana urasa neza bro.
What's a yoga?
Ati ni sport za buri munsi umuntu umugabo. Sasa
abukobwa
arazwa agiye kurukira muri hotel abaza kwinyurira muri bamaniga.
They'll stop me.
Kare gakobwa se nakaye. Bakita Kate.
I mean nothing about you either.
Hasi umugabo ko nashino amubwiyo.
Patricia is my outfitter.
Ati yitwa Patricia ni inshuti yanjye.
He's with the agency?
Neza nawe akorera CIA.
Family, we serve together.
Ati yitwara akoranye n'umuryango we.
So you're American?
Nawe uri umunyamerika?
Only when I need to be.
Ewe nge ndico nshaka kuba cyo. Hari abantu babanga umuntu wabaza ubusa urambaza igihugu cyanjye birakureba.
Bless you, sweet man.
Bwana urakoze kunzanira urumogi bro.
Drugs? You brought
drugs bwenge man.
On the CIA transport.
Ugatwafata CIA ukazana mu rumogi.
No, you don't understand.
Oko nagusobanukirwa uburyo dukora deal.
Europe.
Uru rumogi kurugurana mu Burayi burahenze.
Kind of cancer treatment.
Kandi runavura cancer baby.
I'm sorry.
Sasa hari amaniga biki na deal zabo. Hano ifiti yakabwa. Ngena mwana muto.
Fanny.
Akira akabwa kanje.
How you doing, girl?
Kabwa sana atinya imbwa ne batazanga.
Loves to hide under the office.
Arangije.
Must be the rats.
Akira hakuno.
The drugs are for the dog.
None urumogi muzanye rwa rurwimbwa. Moko deal tuba turimo ni washona. Ntabwo byari byemewe.
Is that authorized?
Umva akazi ndimo ntunyijirire cyane.
You can't just switch it up on me like this.
Uri mahindura gahunda zatuzanye.
You want to fly under the radar this time?
Umva n'ubundi twazanye n'indege radar zidakurikirana. Bivuze ngo akazi kuntu turi gakorana ari ngombwa ko mu rwamenye ibyo dukora. Hano ntagomba gufata imyanzuro ku giti cyawe.
You want to find Radek?
Ushaka gushaka Radeki?
I can do it the right way.
Ugomba kubikora mu buryo bwanjye kandi buzima.
You mean your way?
Bivuze ngo nabikora mu buryo bwawe.
You call me.
Mwamamagaye.
That's how I work.
Ngewe niko nkora. Ibyo badatabuje bambwiye ni ngo mbikurikize. Mwana umyibandi niyo ngiye gufata. C'est tout.
Can you reset us?
Mwana. Data tanyura nyereke ball fit.
What is this?
Bisa ni ibiki?
You got a new look.
Mwana mbuze mwirebere.
YSL, Louboutins.
Bisa ni ibiki?
Way too
Odokapu.
for
Kabakira rugendo nuduki.
Losing those covers.
No kujya dushe abo turibo.
Some shipping manual.
Amazina yawe baratangira kwita Tolensi.
My wife.
Nanye baranyita Tolensi. Urambera umugore.
So now we're married?
None tubaye mariye.
To sell it.
Niko akazi kaciye niko dukora.
You're too old to be my girlfriend.
Nibwo buryo bwonyine kujya ducuruza akazi kacu gakomeza kagenda imbere.
Cell phones, passports.
Kwagukore passport cha telefone nshasha, credit card nshasha, permit nshasha.
I even put in
Uyajya kujya ahantu borozo bazitunganyije.
She doesn't like music.
Mukobwa nagakunda imiziki. Kirime turi bwambare.
Very romantic.
Ntabwo ibintu biri romantic ariko.
Thank you.
Kandi urakoze.
45.
Ni imbunda banza kugura borozo zakiri kare.
19 round mag.
Ubwo ubwoko bw'imbunda.
How about you?
Nawe nta numwe arufata se.
This one won't bite too hard.
Kano ntago karemereye ni ibiro bitagera kuri 2. Shira hasi.
I'll take this one.
Ndatwara iyi ngiyi. Bitwaye iki? Dore nguruguru. Rangije vayo. Nuko ugenda ari nka kupura bameze neza. Bitonze.
Here.
Akira hano.
Oh. One less cologne next time.
Ntabwo byoroshye pe. Niko kazi kamane kamera.
Touch.
Arahandi bagiye kubanza kujya.
Bring in the rosebud.
Mane zari cyo chuma bro.
Mercedes.
Ntabwo bagomba kugera mu modoka z'indwanguruzo.
AMG.
Dore ni CLS AMG V8.
Boarded out.
Motori n'ubwoko bwa V8.
Adding 550 horsepower.
Umwana ufite imbaraga rwose nk'iz'amashavari 5 buryo yirukanka feri zirakora fresh.
Front and rear fashion.
None batiri ry'imbere rwose ntabwo ryapfa kwangirika.
Protector. There's no airbags.
Rwose nta bya airbags zirimo.
No promises.
Nta nizere ko ibyo usezerana ariko bimeze. Uko mu rufunguzo. Patricia urakoze. Mano ugira urugendo rwiza bro.
Reach me if you need me.
Ati rwose ukinyenera ujye umenyesha nk'ikivandimwe. Anafite bamaniga be acamo imyenda bayishuguritse agiye kubanza ngo ajye mu kirori. Yahuriramo bakire. Akobwa bajanye karagenda kameze nk'umugore we kugira ngo yinjirire neza amenye Radek baramusanga he. Mukobwa agenda yitsamura.
Oh, you don't like dogs either?
Nabezi kudakunda imbwa.
Don't wipe your hands on the car.
Mura ntugire ikibazo. Biraza gushira. Maniga fatiraho. ka Thessalonike muri Greece. Aba Thessalonike tayari kuba kageze hakuno bajana rwose ari VP madafatano kubako kabano umuntu ari mu bukwe yifunze waramubona nkajya bukwe acuruza inyanya cyangwa indagara isabaza cyumba babakiriyemo no ibintu ndabyishyuye byose.
Your favorite uncle, Sam.
Uncle wawe Sam no wabyishyuye.
I'm not gonna even ask.
Ntabwo ngongere kubaza. Byaba byiza kurushaho utambazije byinshi.
We'll clean up and we'll regroup.
Ati nyene ngo ngora CIA ntabwo nyankunda kugenda ibintu bya kururu.
You know?
Yeah, we've been traveling for 15 hours.
Amasaha 15 ndi mu ndege.
Need to look our best where we're heading.
Ati nabamvuye kumbaza ngiye hose.
Thought you might want to take a shower.
Ati genda ukarabe nabindi.
I was being considerate.
Nagerageje rwose korohera ariko.
Thanks.
Sawa Meris.
I guess I could use a shower.
Yewe ndaceka nyine gukoresha douche. Turasubira.
Food. Make it quick.
Woga vuba nanjye gutanga komande y'igiporezo. Kava douche. Sasa maniga nubwo abakorera CIA na bashaka kwambaza byinshi kumukurikirana by'ikirenga.
Yes, you got fries.
Wazanye n'udufiriti. Kobwa sanga uduporezo badutunganyije. Veil. Wamagara Veil. Sasa hakuno. Veil ko yakaje ashaka kura kandi gakote arahindura. Zahano hamwe ku rusengero. Bise ngo hano hanari arahazi kuva na kera. Ko yaje ahasanga inshuti abavandimwe za mu rusengero nk'abandi bose. Mugenzi ahora yibuka abana ba mushuti. Atufite umuryango mwiza. Uncle Veil mwe dufata agafoto. Zakwibuka abana ba mushuti. Kandi niwe yagarutse aje no guhiga. Aza hakuno. Banza kurira mu rusengero. Katolike aroza kwicuza ibyaha ari wenyine aroba waje gusenga. Arangije.
This came in today. Highly secure package.
Atanja kwibuka ubwo bagaragara rero ngo ati ibi byaje uyu munsi byari mu gipfunyika. Arangije. Amuhereza. Ati ni stage irimbo wakundaga ni bandi. Wa diskete. Nanjye ari kintu nakuzaniye.
Grizzly Pines, Montana.
Ati abantu ushaka tuzajya kwasohokera muri Montana. Ati ni ahantu heza. Ati ni manda y'amazi Ocean Front. Jye yibuka bwa nyuma bari kumwe. Arangije. Avanayo ka telefoni. Padiri bitano nabari hakono. Nakabekira Maria nibwo yamanutse aramubwira ngo manika fata telefoni ayitsimba hakuno. Ibi nakora asa nkaho ari cyabiziho. Asiga telefoni mu rusengero. Asohoka tyo. Sasa no araba kire bahuriye benshi batandukanye. Nawe aragenda ahindura imyenda aragaruka za handi. Gose hano baba bagurisha ibishushanyo bihambaye. Ni muri gallery. Yitonze.
Yeah, after Paris.
Argose ni byiza.
Sorry to interrupt, Doc.
Amwana kubabangamira.
Revival piece over here.
Argose hari ikintu ushaka kwereka piece yari ashaka kuyikwereka rwose igishushanyo aramujyana.
CIA is killing journalists.
Umva isi yose ni make ko CIA ibirisha abanyamakuru.
You're out hobnobbing. Dead irresponsible, don't you think?
Ati nawe urabizi yuko CIA byanga byakunda ashaka kuba yagize mu ruhare. Umva bye byitwa guhuza ibintu. Ari umudamu yaje kunamukuramo.
What are you doing here?
Umva urakora cyane. ati nari nkumbuye kuza mbugira iki.
You don't look happy to see me, Ty.
Ariko Ty manzi utishimiye kumbona.
The police are still looking for you.
Polisi babizikina iracyaguhiga.
Oh, I don't think I'm in any danger of being outed in this crowd.
Ariko ndakeka ko bandi bantu benshi nabyo bitaneza ikibazo.
Unless you want to turn me in.
Tekana urushaka kunanga.
He suspects the US is running amok here.
Urabizi ko Costas arimo araterera amagambo na leta ya Amerika.
One call.
Costas no ministry mpuzamahanga nako wubanye mpuzamahanga.
They name an island after me.
Wow. Foreign minister on speed dial. You've certainly moved up in the world since I last saw you.
Ati nabona sanga wazamutse mu byukora byose haro kwisiko ubwo kwa kubana ngari kwa rumeze.
I'm sure the agency would be interested to know you're back in town.
Ariko byanga byakuna agency naza kubimenya yuko wagarutse muri uyu mujyi.
I got a bigger trophy for them.
Ati nawo mafite impano ihambaye.
Victor Radek.
Mafite impano ya Victor Radek.
Radek is dead.
Radek yarapfuye.
Not anymore.
Nago yapfuye
He believes he's the one behind his current PR problem.
Ati byanga byakuna nabantu bake ntago ari benshi babizi ko mu yagarutse muri agency.
O'Malley sent you.
O'Malley ni wakohereje.
Why aren't they sharing their intel?
I think there's a mole.
Danaza kuki uri maragenda utangaza amakuru kuki batabivuga neza.
Radek supposedly in possession of some doomsday intel.
Ati byanga byakuna Radek niwe uri muri akora ibintu bibi kugira byiturwe CIA.
You know what it is?
Uzi byari byo?
Well, you seem to know a lot more than I do.
Ariko ndakeka ushaka kubuza byinshi kurusha ibyo nzi.
It's pretty frustrating.
Aya nabyo bitangaje. Ariyo mpamvu uri hano.
I heard. Congrats.
Sa felicitation. Tayi nayo barakoranaga. None bere yako nemara turagurisha za paint.
Radek and I used to throw cash to an offshoot gang when we needed dirty.
Aturabizwe na Radek tugikora muri ganga imwe twakunda rwose gushora amafaranga.
You've been gone too long.
Ariko mazigena utahari.
Stephanopoulos.
Atu Dennis Stefano ni uyoboye.
No, he got.
Ese yaratunganye.
He runs the Bohem Club out on the beach.
Ati mugenzi wacu yagize ubwenge arekera kwikurura kuri CIA na MI6 ahitamo kujya kwikorera akazi ka buwate wafite amafaranga. Afite agabari kitwa Bohem Club hafi na beach. Arundi bakoranaga we yavuye mu kazi k'ubwamaneko aho kugira ngo umahanganye na leta. Aza kwishingira buwate.
A long time.
Satai turasubira. Umva buretse gato.
If Costas finds out you're here, he'll make an example of you.
At Costas aramutse amenye kuri hano. Yakwica kudanga yereke abantu bose yuko atangiye guhangana se abakozi bayo bashyira hasi.
He's running his own investigation. Just
nawe arimo arayoboye iperereza ajya ku giti cye.
Wait until I get his next brief.
Basi tegereza mbere yo kubyinjira mu mbanze ngira andi makuru namenya.
We can crack this together.
Ibintu twabikurikirana nje nabo.
You don't get to ask me to wait any more time.
Ati wa mugore nagusobanukije tegereza ikindi gihe. Nabikoze bwari mwe kwizera umugore nawo bundi. Na Delila na Eva. Arangije aza kuri ya beach ya Bohem. Hamwe ari boîte ya mushuti. Radek we yarabuze. Niwe baje guhiga. Veil ni uje kumuhiga. Mushuti wabo wundi wedo yishingiye boîte ibintu byo kujya kuba maneko. Abivamo ariko ngo karafashwe yibereye umukire. Ifite boîte hafi n'amazi. Zakureba umuvandimwe. Ko yakaje hano bari ba bouncer.
Good juice, Dad.
Ha, byiza kubona Stain.
Get yourself one of these.
It's Mr. Stephanopoulos now.
Baita nyakuba Stephanopoulos.
Yes, I've been very fortunate.
Mani ni gitangaza ngo kubona bro.
Some gambles that paid off.
Since
you disappeared.
Ati byinshi byarahindutse nyuma waburiye.
I didn't disappear.
Ntabwo nabuze mwana.
Just had other appointments to keep.
Ati nafite gahunda no ngomba gukemura zatumye mva muri akazi.
Where'd you go?
Wagiye hese.
Cheer, I got married.
Mwana narashatse mfite umugore.
Spent the last 6 months on honeymoon.
Naragiye maramezi 6 ni muri honeymoon.
First Malaysia, then the Galapagos.
Nabanje kujya muri Malaysia. Mvayo njya muri Galapagos.
Even did a few weeks in Jawbone, Kentucky.
Najya no muri Kentucky naho marayo iminsi tukiri muri honeymoon. Kwezi kwa buki.
Well, congratulations are in order then.
Sawa felicitation brother. Ni byiza cyane.
Come on in, come on, sit down, have a drink.
Ngwene cara hano twadusana sangira ariko mwana. Baherukana zamani.
I'm looking for Radek.
Mani niba nashaka Radek atarasa ku ngingo.
Radek's dead.
Radek yarapfuye mwana.
You know that.
Kai nawe urabizi.
You know what they say about Balkan men?
Ase akazi dukora nawe kazi mwana.
They never really die, they just smell that way.
ati ntabwo yigeze avuga ngo byari byo gufenta abantu ariko aracitse.
Business looks good.
Kazi kawe karasa neza.
Too good for you to be doing this all alone.
Kandi birasa neza buri mwana agakora wenyine.
There's got to be a partner somewhere behind this.
Yanga byakundusha kuba ufite umwunganizi.
No ropes. Just want to talk to him, that's all.
Ariko nashaka kuvuga n'uwo mwunganizi wawe.
What you already know.
Ase nakubwira ibyo uzi.
He's dead?
Yarapfuye.
Think about that then.
Mwana wimbeye cyane bizwi bizikari muzima.
Some small time punk you can just push around anymore.
Cyo nakubwira cyo na winyinjira cyane umwera akora rero cyo dukorana. Je no menya business wubashwe hano.
That word means something.
Amagambo mvuga bafite sobanuye.
You looked the part.
Warebye ku ruhande.
Except your suit jacket's about 2 sizes too big.
Ati kuko wambara amakoti agukwiye naga arengeje ingano yawe.
Here's a tip, guys. You're gonna leave the top 4 buttons open. You might as well not wear the shirt. Judging by the cigar smoke, you still don't know a Cohiba from
ati ukunda rwose guca imanza ifite zasiga mu ntoki zawe bigaragaza agasuzuguro k'ikirenga.
Button up jump thug.
Ati usibye ko nanjye binatwaye.
Well, daddy's at work.
Ariko umenye ko uyu munsi papa ari mu kazi. Ati wakabaye waragumya buri mwana.
Because now that you're back,
kuko ubu ngubu nje ntabwo najya kujya inyuma ngo nagushyigikire cyangwa umfashe.
It's going to be hard for you to leave again.
Biraza kukomerera kuba wakongera ukavana amahoro. Sasa nawe aba munsi wabonye umuntu uri kwegera boss cyane babara hafi bacungira hafi.
You might as well have that drink now.
Inywera inzoga yawe wicomo ndo mfashe guhiga umuntu ntabwo byavamo.
Since I have no choice.
Ngo na mahitamo mfite. Deka ninywere nyine na heza yize. Kumbe sasa uyu nawe ano master bwava amahoro mugenzi we yaza kugira cyamufasha. Tangira ari nambara asenzi sana bose barakoranaga baba umsa musirikare soja boy bijyanye byo nashaje ariko ntago kagabo karakomeye box bijyanye byo asenze sana ava abandi basore binago bimukanga zinambara arazimenyereye yitonze yari icupa kino mwene umutwa musenzi we yaza mu kirere abaturage abanza birukange mwanda sasa ibi nabyo birahuruza polisi kiraje nta magazine irimo. Wa musanze uri umupfu wa musanze mu mushakasha umuzana imayiti maniga aratangira kintu igitsi bamukurikiza amasasu kaga kobwa nako injira mu modoka ngabo modoka butoya bamukurikiza amasasu ngo cyagitutse.
What the hell, Vale?
Vale ari mu biki?
This is a rental.
Ibintu ntabwo bishoboka.
Who was that back there?
Uri arindi nama bana sangu
Worst spy ever.
Wewe maneko mubibaza kubona muri iyi si.
There are protocols you can't
amategeko n'amabwiriza tugomba kugenderaho.
Trust me, it's for your own protection.
Ibyo nakoraga byari umutekano wawe.
Please. You're lucky that I was.
No, ugize amahirwe kuba nari imari.
Tell for my tools. Give me your phone.
Why?
That's how you're tracking me, right?
Bivuze ngo uri muri ankuru ngiye hose.
No.
Oh yeah.
I found your bug.
Nabonye akantu warakizeho kugira nkuru.
Give it to me.
Wagakize kuri karuvate yanjye nabimenye.
Nice.
Giza cyane.
Hey.
Yewe.
If I'm going to help you,
niba ushaka kumufasha,
you're going to need to help me too.
nanjye ugomba kumufasha.
Fill in the blanks.
Ndashaka amakosa yawe yose akureho.
The file says that Radek went rogue. What
nimba Radek yari gume kuri CIA
happened?
Byagenze bite mbwiza ukuri.
The go between the Greek and Russian mafia.
Ati ibyo byatangiye ubwo yari arimo arahangana n'abagiriki n'abamafia yo mu Burusiya.
In reality,
gusa mu by'ukuri
he was performing assignments.
Yari arimo arakora akazi ka CIA
for us.
Arimo aradukorera.
Assignments like
akazi gute?
Like that hit on Boris Papa?
None se niwe warashe uriya mugabo Boris?
The guy from the picture.
Uriya twabonye mu ifoto.
That's right. He joined the CIA to get asylum for his wife and daughter, but his cousin...
ati mugenzi yagiye muri CIA aho kugira ngo ave mu kazi neza umwana we n'umugore we babigenderamo.
got blown and the Russians killed his family.
Birangije bivuga yuko ngo abarusiya bo bishe iki umuryango we.
I saw the photos.
Narebonye amafoto.
Radek became unhinged.
Ati Radek nibwo yaje kuba nk'umusazi.
He went on a revenge tour.
Yagiye rwose mu butembera asanga agiye kwiyorera ku barusiya.
Russians all over Greece, anyone he thought was...
aribwo yagiye guhangana n'abarusiya ngo abicire mu Bugiriki.
So that's when the CIA ordered you to take him out?
Niyo mpamvu CIA yaje gutanga itegeko ngo nawe uzumuhitane.
I was asked to track him down and neutralize him.
Ati nyabanyohereje kugira ngo muturishe kuko ari umukozi wa CIA atajya guhangana n'abarusiya bikaba byajyana intambara hagati y'abarusiya na Amerika.
I thought I did.
Rero nagiye kumuhagarika cyangwa se kumunetereriza ndangije nyako nabikoze. Ariko ntabwo namuhagaritse. Timumve Job barakohereza ngo genda uhagarika umuntu kumuhagarika nawe urabyumva. Kwica umuntu mwakoranaga.
Anything else?
Iyo ni CIA.
No.
Hari ikindi oya?
Actually, yes. How the fuck did you know that I was allergic to dogs?
Ako zumuni ngo bazamenya gute ko nange mbwa.
Single woman, you're...
Umugore udafite umugabo se uri mu myaka yawe udafite n'imbwa bagendana.
Did you know I was single?
Asomenya gute ko ndi single?
Lucky guess.
None wasana na tomboza da. Sasa kaguryi karaha. Sasa hakuno. Abo ko baraha agenda basigaye kuri CIA bakira ubutumwa bugufi. Bwa butumwa buza mu buryo bw'ibanga.
Torture, genocide.
Ati yabo kubabaza cyangwa genocide.
Civilians murdered.
Abasivile bagiye bicwa.
Governments toppled through violent insurrection.
Ata mama leta tandukanye yagiye yica arimo na CIA yagiye yica abantu mu bihugu bitandukanye.
Crimes committed not by your enemies.
Ati benshi bagiye bakora ibyaha bikitirirwa abanzi banyu.
But by the US itself.
Ariko byose byakorwaga by the US itself. Byakorwaga na leta ya Amerika ubwayo. Bakajya mu gihugu bakagitezamo intambara kubera ko bashaka kucyambura kugikuraho ubukungu runaka, peteroli, essence, bikitirirwa ko ari abene gihugu bateje iyo ntambara kandi leta ya Amerika. Ni ubutumwa bwabwereje CIA.
For decades the world has turned a blind eye out of fear and profit.
Ati mu myaka irenga 20 yagiye ibaho intambara yaragiye ibyara ubwoba ariko urundi ruhande ibabyarira inyungu.
But what happens when your allies learn that you've been doing the same to them?
Ati nabari inshuti zanyu ibyabayeho ni nk'ibyabaye kuba arabanzi banyu ko leta ya Amerika yakoranaga n'Ubwongereza na Australia bakagenda bagateza intambara mu bihugu ariko leta ya Amerika yaranze ikagambanira Ubwongereza na Australia.
To prevent this, I demand payment of
ariko kugira ngo ibitu bihagarike bitazajya hagaragara ndasaba leta ya Amerika
100 million
ko bama miliyoni 100 z'amadolari kandi bakazima mu ma bitcoin mbere yuko kiriya amavideo hanze kandi ntabwo mugomba murakurikiza amabwiriza yanjye. Hari wabahaye ubutumwa bamwe miliyoni 100 z'idolari cyangwa avuga ibyo leta ya Amerika yagiye ikora nk'ibyabaye kwa Gada kwa Saddam Hussein muri 2003 bakabesha ko ari ibisasu bya kirimbuzi kumbe barashaka kujya gukora iki kwiguhindura leta ziriho kwiba peteroli amavuta ibintu nk'ibyo kumbe dore maniga nijoro ko yagatashye barakoranaga we yishingiye imbari.
You're sure this guy's working with Radek?
None soce kuyu musore akurimo arakorana na Radek kimwe abwiye cyakoraga mu kabarati byanga byakunda kubukora kano kabari ntago agakora uri wenyine ufite uri kuri inyuma. Ntago uyu musenzi ubunebwe yagiraga dukora namwira ngo yashinze imbari ikomeye kuriya ari we wenyine afite umufasha. Do maniga ni gikapu cyakirimo dukoresha utwe.
Shouldn't we be following him?
Ako ntago twakaye twamukurikiye. Ntago nakwata ku muntu nkuriya muri public. Byanga byakunda agomba gusiga ibimenyetso inyuma.
Okay. Let's toss this place up and see what we can work with.
Binjira mu nzu ya maniga.
I'll take the office.
Ndakanya njye muri biro ye. Ntago umuntu wabura uri cakarafu. Ugenda ukore akabari nka kariya. Karimo na bwate gakomeye kugeza hariya nawe ukuri inyuma.
Anything?
Arakintu ubonye? Kaza kuri laptop ya maniga muri office ye.
Photos and a map of Emporio Square downtown.
Atano hari amafoto rwose nimo nabona ku ikarita ariko afite ahure n'agace ka Emporio Square downtown. Maniga nawaza hakuno agize gutya bona hano ku matafari hari ahantu hagiye ahongoka kaya mu byandiko bya mutipe uyu nawe aya matafari yahongotse. Aya matafari yihongoye niyo mpamvu yitwaza iki umwiko tangira akazi kawe moko jya ugenda gacyo navuge make akazu kinjemo tugasaziyemo enda pole pole gira gutya kiri umwiko ku ruhande comoramo itafari nta n'umuntu ntabwo ryari rifashe rangije itafari ryari riri ndani harimo ibyandiko byitonze umukobwa nawe waje kureba bari bujyaje mu kazi abagabo bazaho batsimba boro bagize gutya babona telefone ya mudamu w'umunyamakuru kazi wapfuye Greta arashwe na Radek
The journalist that was murdered in Thessaloniki.
uyu mudamu w'umunyamakuru w'umudage wapfiriye muri Thessaloniki
That goes me lost.
batangira kureba hano nyubako ya State House reba hano
The next target.
cyangwa ino target yabo ikurikira bakira imiryango mbere gukinguka pakira vuba pakira tuva tugende apagasi barinjira hagari boss winjire igipagasi mona ararushye muniwe mu ntambara apagasi ashyira igikote hasi kare bamukomye itafari ry'agahanga za hakuno fata icyo kunywa nta mutima mwe ntazi inzu yinjiyemo n'abandi kare kiraho harajya yumvisha ariko sinzi kora ku muhumetsa yivanayo yitonze mugabo vuba gipagasi nacyo bari saza ukiramukoma musore Olivier musaza hasi fata icupa kirakomeye mugabo yewe mutwe ku rukuta cyewe data we nakubwiye nawe rubanda barabamwe kamutunga imbunda nakurasa urandasa muko
Stop.
Reka tuganire nakobwa kiraga koma amusanzi kigabo kirakomeye wa ruzingo rw'umwonjo akobwa bege data we mana we barayifata baragigira nawe uva kwizima job iraha kazi ndakubwiye akazi kaba nimero nawe ujye ukavamo kabunda ku ruhande kivana y'umushyo waganda gusiramura nta kinya wa musenzi we biriya byo bange biriya aragera ufata imico ushaka turwana sha nawe akivanayo fata kuma gato akuma wagira ngo ni kuto kigabo yawe nangeje baragigira yagifata akaboko kiramuniga yawe bagenoki senzi sha yariri ngumi mwanda baga hose nabumva nabi fata ijosi wai data we sara sentire byera mu ijosi ukandara kigaba amaso nanjye ndafata umwiko data we mwiko mu ijosi ayiwe iyo mpamvu nta kitagutabara data we umwiko yazanye agakobwa kabisuzugura Kate ese neza ewe harya twaryamye sanga yakubise hasi karahwera
Did you take your medicine?
wanyweye imiti yawe nibwo katindira mu ijobu niko kazi kamera
300 hours of field training.
ati rwose amasaha magana ngahe
I failed training.
ati rwose amasaha arenze 300 nagiye ntsindwa imyitozo.
It's never happened to me before.
Ntabwo ibintu bigeze bimbaho kuva na mbere.
What, sneeze?
Uko maguru gwa?
No,
Oya.
that wasn't my fault.
Ay mavu nitsamuraga nukubera yari imbwa.
See what?
Ndabibona.
I froze.
Mana nageze aho nanahwera. Mba nk'ikinya muri cyo nkora.
Vale, you could have been killed.
Mana wakabaye wanapfuye. Gatata mama jenge yarwanye zo muri Iraq, Afghanistan.
Maybe the first time.
Muratwe ntago ari ubwa mbere. Kimubwira neza?
Maybe the first time.
Kuri twe ntago ari ubwa mbere mada. Bitwa binyuzanyuzemo.
Beat yourself up about it.
Mura nawe niyo nzira nyine watangiye. Ugira ngo tukabeje mugira amasura yacu nyasaga neza. Sa muntu sura se ni ibikovu.
Do you ever get desensitized by it all?
Ese ujya wumva base nibikuje nabinje na baragukoma ukagera ukabikinya ukiyakira ugasanga usura n'urwirungu eje gasa jaune ni Patricio mwabaye imbunda bwa mbere agera naho
Found out where Agasobanuye lost for me later.
ati ugeze yavumbuye abo nyene bandi bari
The next target.
yavumbuye indirade kagiye guta the next target.
Where?
Hehe.
I'll give you one guess.
Muranda gwa rwose ndaguye ikimenyetso tugaruka mugeze Emporio Square. Aho ngo Radek ashobora kongera gutera handi bwatinze. Kumbe ba nimero baba hageze kare naho yashyizemo agakote wa mugenzo no mwaya makuru zayitonze.
Further check.
Ya rwose ukomeza ucunge angire uriho.
Sleep in his car.
Rwose rapolisi baryamye mu modoka nta kimenyetso cya Radek na kimwe ndabona.
Should we warn Melis? He could be in danger.
Wasanga ari mu byago sasa umukobwa yegera nkuje gurano bwa magazini.
Want to spook Radek?
Ndashaka kuza kuvuga na Radek kumbe Radek nawe bagize ba nimero be kare. Patricio nawe rwose yana naba makuru do ba nimero baruzuye.
Can smell his indigestion.
Chema rwose ndareba kunanywa agakawa ndimo nabihumurirwa. Arimo aranywa espresso. Kumbe na Radek abasore babahageze kare. Bose ni kuri ba nimero. Arangije maniga ari telefone yakiriye. Telefone yamuhamagara akuramo earpiece yavuganaga n'umukobwa ashyiramo indi.
12 Apostle Church always was your favorite drop.
Akizere yuko padiri ku rusengero telefone aho nayisize wayibonye. Kumba ya telefone yashyize mu rusengero wa munsi agikina mu Bugiriki. Yasaga nkaho hari umuntu ayiteze ngo aza kwitora.
I love the frescoes.
Ati byiza cyane ndabikunda uburyo ukiba akazi kacu.
Even at dinner with some of the monks.
Uribuka igihe twagiye gusangira ibyo byanjoro tugiye kubirira mu Monko kuri restaurant y'Abashinwa.
Me clowns coquinisto.
Tirango nibukaga bya biryo bya Crenso ukibyibuka. Ariko ibyo nago bijyanye na protocol.
Something we were always very good at.
Kumbu wari kuvugana ni Radek. Ya telefone yasize mu rusengero yashaka mugenzi waze kuza gitore.
I meant for the monks.
Ati byo nakoze nabikoze kubwa Monko.
They shouldn't be eating past midday.
Ariko rwose nago akaba yari amasaha zitazarenze.
Surprised.
Ariko maso tungwe no kuba nkwamagaye.
Seeing as I'm supposed to be dead and all.
Kuko nawe wari ubizi ko napfuye byarangiye. Sasa uzi umuntu uje guhiga waragerageje kumwica bikanga.
Surprised isn't the word I'd use.
Ara kuba ntungwe nagaryo jambo akaba yikoresha. Urarakaye.
Confused, Victor.
Abo nacanganyikiwe.
Deal.
Twarumvikanye.
I let you go, you disappear.
Twumvikanye sasa uyu ntago yishe mugenzi ugiye CIA yamutumaga ngo agende yica Radek. Ahubwo arambwiye ngo cika ntuzagaruke ko bari inshuti magara. Sasa arambwiye ati we had a deal twarumvikanye. I let you go, you disappear. Narakuretse ngo ugende kandi ugende rimwe na rizima ubure.
Deal. I let you go, you disappear.
Narakuretse ugende ubure burundu.
Forever.
Ngo ubure burundu ntuzagaruke forever. Sasa yanze kwica inshuti magara. Hano ni sasa murabizi byabagira iki ibintu by'Imana babiri imbere. Hano abari imyigaragambyo y'urudaca. Nabagena mu bigaragambye. Sasa nare nabo banekeraga Radeki. Kobwa bagenda inyuma.
Vale, I'm blind. What do you see?
Vale nta kintu ndimo ndabona. Kumbe Vale yakuyemo kaka earpiece wavuganiragaho. Arimo aravuga na Radeki. Sasa nare ababigaragambya. Vale arimo aramagana Vale naga mwumva. Umukobwa atangira gushaka mugenzi we kumbe arimo aravuga na Radeki.
Go away.
Ntabwo nigeze ncika. Nacize igihe gito.
No but feel.
ariko nanjye ntabwo nari butuze.
Word you used.
Hasi ukunda gukoresha ijambo.
Confused. You see, we never did find out who blew me.
Ati nabizi neza n'ubwo wakora ibyo ukora byose ntabwo apfa kumbona.
And I hate mysteries.
Kandi nanga ibintu bitungurana.
Nature needed to scratch.
Ukenda akantu gato kare gukobore gasanga kwangura.
Unscratched.
Nobone nakobotse kare isura yangiritse.
Don't feel old to me.
Kuri je mba numva utarasaza uracyari umusore nka kera ko twakoraga akazi. Agakobwa karimo karacamana bigaragambya. Ano ara bari barapfa ibyabi byo bapfa.
Patient I can be.
Nikumva nayo ntaranyurwa.
For all fingers pointed to one.
Ntago natize igihe kinini mbere yuko nanjye najya gutunga intoki abazinunze ariyo agency CIA.
That's not possible.
Ntago bishoboka.
I would have known about it.
Nakabaye nagize icyo bimenyaho.
You did.
Ariko ntacyo wakoze.
Maybe that's why.
Wasanga nayo imenye n'ugiye cyerenzaho.
Philadelphia.
Niyo mpamvu nayo nohereje inshuti zanjye zimwe na zimwe.
Why would the agency blow your cover?
None n'icyatumye agency igutamaza.
You know why.
Nayo impamvu urayizi.
One little assignment we learned.
Ari akazi kamwe nahawe katigeze karangira.
Even if that's true, Victor.
Ariko Victor jegura n'ukuri.
What you're doing isn't right.
Ibyo ukora ntago ari byo, ntago ari byiza.
I mean blackmail.
Kubijya byo gukora mu buryo bucece.
Killing journalists.
Ibyo byo kwica abo banyamakuru b'abanyamahanga ntago ari byo bro.
It's not just extreme. It's crazy, Victor.
Ati ntago ari ubugabo bwo n'ibintu by'ubusazi urimo urakora.
I'm only going to warn you once.
Ndaguha agasopo bwa nyuma.
Stay out of the way.
Mva mu nzira wikomereze.
If not for yourself.
Nutabikora ubyikoreye.
Do it for her.
Basi bikorere uwo mukobwa muri kumwe.
Who her?
Uwo mukobwa suri kuvuga.
Your partner.
Umwunganizi wawe.
David.
Amenya yuko uragakubwa ka Kate. Nako bakamenya Radek.
Protect my family.
Wananiwe kurinda umuryango wanyu munsi nawo gusigiraga ukitwa n'abarusiya.
You really think that you'd be able to protect her?
Yesu akeka n'uyu mukobwa uri bubace kumurinda. Amenya ko n'agakobwa bakavumbuye. Akunganize. Agize guca kumbe karagatego na Radek bambaye kimwe. Uzaca n'ahandi bro. Sasa kagakobwa hari uwaje aratangira kurata abantu baturage. Rangira Radek yari mu baturage rwagati. Teza kavuyo umugabo nanamukurikirana. Hana abaturage bateza gucacana. Radek arangije. Barame kigofero. Barashwe mbakozi base bari baraho hafi. Aratangira. Radek nguriya ku moto. Yari umukozi wa CIA. Amweretse ko byose bishoboka. Yamenyekane ko bahari. Ndasa moto. Tayari. Barika panduka. Arakomeza. Mwamaje inzira mwabasenzi mwe. Mwamaje inzira. Arambwa ati bwa mbere none kurinda umuryango wanjye. Utanengwa kurinda umukobwa muri bo murakorana. Bivuze ngo nabo bazanye bose yabamenye. Waye gasopo. Yavayo. Kumbe bya biniga bye mugenzi. Bimwe byamuhaye intwaro barasheho kimwe. Barangije. Fataga kapu kari kuri moto y'umugabo. Ari ikintu kirimo.
It's a tablet.
Harimo tablet.
Screen is cracked.
Aho na screen yangiritse.
I should still be able to access the hard drive.
Ariko byanga byakunda hard drive yi tablet na hacking. Mare ibintu biriho. Sasa kuna imyigaragambyo ibiyobowe na polisi. Bari muri turabarambiwe.
What?
Niki?
I warned you.
Nagwaye gasopo.
But cowboy shit got Mellis killed.
Habuze gatoba tugiye gushira.
This is why we have protocols.
Niyo mpamvu tugomba kujya amabwiriza dukurikiza.
This is why you got fired once already.
Niyo mpamvu gambere bakwirukanye muri akazi. Ntago nge nigeze nirukanwa mu kazi kasi njya kwitinza. Nakikuyemo.
Man is dead, Vale.
Umugabo yapfuye Vale.
A civilian.
Umusivile.
The agency is gonna get heat for this.
Agency byanga byako nayo birayigaruka.
Okay, so which one are we sad about?
None tubivuge iki?
The civilian or the agency?
No, ikibazo no umusivile upfuye cyangwa ikibazo ni agency.
Tell me.
Bwira. Ugamukubita ingingo nikabyumva.
The photo that Radek left at the scene of the crime.
Ati mugenzi iriya foto yasigaye hariya nimbi. Uri yarinde.
Luis Delgado.
Ati yitwaga Luis Delgado.
Cuban ambassador to the UN.
Ati yari umwambasaderi wa UN muri Cuba.
Delgado, but he's
Delgado
alive.
Ariko aracyari muzima.
Which means Radek doesn't just have a list of past CIA.
Bivuze ngo rero Radek.
Which means Radek doesn't just have a list of past CIA.
Bivuze ngo Radek ntago afite liste y'abantu bakoreye CIA, afite n'abakera baje bayikorera. Ashaka guhitana.
He has a list of active targets as well.
Ahubwo afite liste y'abakozi ba CIA bari active. Ashaka kwivugana.
Need to call this into O'Malley.
Rero tugomba guhamagara O'Malley umuyobozi wa CIA.
Kate. Don't you get it?
As nagusobanukirwa ibyo nkubwira.
O'Malley already knows.
O'Malley wadutumye na warabizi.
Then why is it just us here?
None se kuki yatwohereje hano?
If this list gets out, it's going to unite the entire world against.
Bivuze ngo isi yose iraza gutangira guhangana n'iki na CIA.
Now you're starting to ask the right questions.
Aho utangiye kubaza ibintu bizima.
I can think of two reasons.
Tekereza impamvu ebyiri.
One, O'Malley is covering his own ass.
O'Malley arimo arihishira. Wabatumye hano umuyobozi wa CIA.
He was station chief when I was here.
Ati rwose hano yarahagarariye sitasiyo bwatwezaga inaye bwa mbere.
That happened under his watch.
Radek yacungagwa na O'Malley.
Okay, and two?
Na icya kabiri.
Think about it, Kane.
Bitekerezo Kate.
He has to be leaking the info to Radek.
Byanga byakunda uyu mugabo uri hano Radek. Hari umuntu uri kumuha amakuru.
You think O'Malley is the mole?
None uri makeka ko umuyobozi wa CIA ari ukora n'ikiyebe Radek. Yewe nta muntu ajya yizera. Wasanga urugweba ruri kwica abanyamakuru ruri gutumwa n'umukuru wa CIA n'ubundi.
I don't trust anybody in the agency.
Muri kano kazi dukora nta muntu njya nizera.
You shouldn't either.
Kandi nawe ni kugomba gukorana unugira uwo wizera.
But you trust Ty Delson?
None niyo mpamvu wizera uriya mugore Ty Dyson.
You read her in, didn't you?
Wagiye kumureba sibyo?
The art gallery.
Wa muri art gallery yamwacuza ibishushanyo.
Well, don't look so surprised.
Wireba nkaho utunguwe.
You knew that I was tracking you.
Waruzwe nimo nagutrackinga.
Didn't think I would check the guest list.
Urangije nkura kuri guest list.
So you do have the necessary trust issues.
Ata umukobwa ufite ikibazo cyo kwizera abantu nicyo cyose cyo nyine ugira.
So why won't you direct them toward the right people?
Abo unajye kwana n'abantu wizeye.
I'm trying to make 2 and 2 equal 4.
Ndimo nagerageza gufata kabiri guteranya kabiri bingana na kane.
You Vale.
Ndimo nashaka guhuza nawe.
You keep saying that we can't trust the agency.
Ntabwo wakomeza kumwira ngo ntabwo nakwizera CIA.
And then you go and read in the head of station.
Wari tugenda rwo swanga n'abantu tutaramenya amakuru yabo neza.
None of this makes sense.
Ibintu mbwa ntabwo byumvikana.
Ty is.
Tiny.
She's an old friend.
Ty yari inshuti ya kera.
You're a hypocrite.
Uri indyarya wa kigabo. Uri indyarya nicyo maze kubona. Niwe itabiyo telefone.
Fuck you.
Kiryaga panda. Yego nyakubaba.
Don't tell him.
Kate utamubwira ko ari umuntu bepfiriyemo.
You really are paranoid, aren't you?
Niwe muswa ahubwo ndabivuga.
Yes, sir.
Yego nyakubaba. Sasu nta muntu yizera.
For these murders,
Ati CIA niyo rwose imashingo ya makuru y'abantu bagiye bapfa.
United States will be held accountable. Mr. Melas paid the ultimate price.
Mr. Melas n'abandi bose. Sasa ntibwatinze Costas wa mugabo w'umugiri iki?
Sacrifice.
Minisitiri w'ububanyi n'amahanga mu bugiri iki? Costas. Leona Staris. Nawe ari imbere itangazamakuru. Abantu barimo barapfira mu bugiri iki biri kuvuga ko ari CIA. Bivuze ngo biramutse bikomeje uburayi bwose no gutera CIA. Ngo ni leta ya Amerika muri rusange. Hagize guceza kureba mudamu bakoranaga kera. Mana Vale. Ndi hano kubwo gufata ibyandiko byanjye. Dangiza nicyo kunywa. Tira tunywemo. Muse wowe. Uyu ngiye ukareba imyaka.
Paid vacation.
Yewe kubwa vacancy.
Suspended all U.S. intelligence activity in Greece.
Ati nta kindi cyabaye wa mugabo ushinzwe minisitiri w'ububanyi n'amahanga witwa Costas yirukanye ubutatsi bwose bw'abanyamerika mu Bugiriki.
U.S. intelligence activity in Greece.
Ati ibikorwa byose bya CIA mu Bugiriki byirukanywe.
Holding a big press conference Friday.
Bivuze kuri wa gatanu agiye kuba inama yitaraganya.
Does he have anything?
Ese hari ikimenyetso y'abafite?
Didn't think so.
O'Malley nta kintu abitekaho.
After the hit today at the market, it doesn't look good.
Gusa ibyabereye mu isoko y'umunsi ubwo haraswaga umuntu. Ntabwo bigaragara neza ku ruhande rwa CIA.
Did you see what happened?
None wabonye ibyabaye?
Front and center.
Ibyambere imbere y'amaso.
You were there?
Wari uri mu isoko? Cyane.
Saw Radek. Spoke to him.
Nabonye na Radek twanavuganye.
And?
Hanyuma?
Did you know that the agency
waba uzi ko agency CIA
blew his cover?
ari yamutamaje. Hari ukuntu muri maneko ariko akazi ka maneko nyine ugakora mu ibanga. Sasa Radek yakoreye CIA kugira ngo CIA abanyamahanga bice Radek iramutamaza abari ibitangaza ko ari maneko.
I was briefed when I took over as head of station.
Ati rwose musimbura nibwo naje kumenya ko ari CIA yamutamaje.
They said it was a necessary evil.
Bavuze ko ari umunyabyaha utari ukenewe. Cyari icyaha
And by the CIA against one of their own.
From what I
cyakozwe na CIA bagambanira wari umukozi wabo.
understand, the Russians were responsible for the killing.
Ariko hanyuma abarusiya no bishe umuryango we.
You dare let the agency wash its hands of this.
Ati ntuzatume CIA yigira abere. Sasa mugezo ari baravuga ati nimba ari CIA yishe umuryango we n'abarusiya. Sasa ari baravuga ati CIA nta kuntu umuryango warade kwa barishwe n'abarusiya, CIA ikajya kumutanga ko yari iki yari umukozi wayo.
Radek made a deal.
Radek yarumvikanye.
And then one day he refused to hold up his end of the bargain.
You know,
ariko mu nyuma yanze kumvikana y'ibyo yiyemeje.
Damn well what they asked us to do it.
Ariko nawe urabizi neza ibyo bari baramusabye.
You know why we couldn't do it.
Kandi nawe uzumva tutagomba kubikora. Ntabwo ndimo nabadefanda.
I'm just telling it like it is.
Ndimo nakubwira ko ibintu bimeze.
The agency felt betrayed.
Agency yumvise isanga aho yagambaniwe na Radek. Nayo iramutamaza.
That feels.
Nawe uzi ko bimera.
I waited for you.
Naragutegereje.
I know.
Ndabizi.
And when I sat on my suitcase and I waited.
Nicaye rwose kumwaragara moshi nagutegereza natimaje.
I glimpsed faces in the crowd. I kept thinking they were you. Oh, here she comes.
Nakomeje nanjye kugenda nica abantu rwose nzi yuko uri bumfashe.
There she is.
Munzi ko rwose uri umukunzi wanyu uri bube hafi yanjye.
That must be her. They never.
Sasa nabo barakundanaga kubera ko bari mu kazi kamwe ategereza umugore nawe arabura. Bawera nubigaruye. Wagomba kuvana. Ndakwinginze. Ibyo amateka yanjye nawe nta muntu muri CIA ushaka gukorana n'umuntu bakundana. Nta nawe byanabaye. Kuki utaje ngo ducikane? Uyu yavuye mu kazi yumva ko na mugenzi wari buhita akavamo akaza bakibanira ajya kuba umuyede. Ntago.
I was scared.
Ari mfite ubwoba. Iyo muri bamane kushaka kugenda mugakundana amapenzi yazamuka gatanya akavuga nitwe twaturikije hariya na hariya nitwe twafunze runaka. Niyo mpamvu abantu babane ko ntago mugomba gukundana muri mu kazi nkaka.
Years I've been working at this.
Maze imyaka 20 ni muri aka kazi.
This life and all the death that comes with it.
Ati mu buzima nabayemo n'impfu ziba muri ubu buzima. Nibibazo gusa.
Shitty and lonely.
Nukuba uri mu mwanda kandi nabwo uri mu bwigunyiri wenyine.
And dreary.
Nta muntu mwakundana. Shaka umugabo bakamuhitana.
When O'Malley called and offered me the job.
Ati Omar yaramubaganje anyemerera akazi. Wawe unatumye nguyu.
May have been the wrong choice.
Sanga nagize amahitamo mabi.
But I have to live with it.
Ariko nagomba kubana nabyo nakundi. Yo job twahisemo. Ubu nge sinarongorwa n'umugabo. Ushaka umugabo akagakubita agacoboka ngakomeza. Nta bintu byanarabyaye mfite abana apana. Rangije none sheri. Aho twagize gutya tugasubika. Hago umuntu yagira kumbwije uko. Ati rimwe namwe arigiye wihatiriza gufata amahitamo wowe ubwawe butahisemo neza. Hari kiguhatirije. Ntago wareka ijoro urumva. Umuntu akagira gutya uri kumateriza n'ibindimo. Urabona batiriza bitamurimo. Do uko yakamatirije ntago yemurimo abari uza mwinjiramo. Ntago bindimo. Zakundanye ariko muri CIA nta mapenzi. Come on. Tayari. Hano aro kujya mu mapenzi. Nebera. Urukundo ni gikomando nta bintu byo kuba romantique apana. Nta mukomando ushaka kubwira umukobwa ngaramukunda apana. Yo. Yambwa ngo nano shaka. Ntago nkwanga. Ubwo niba ntakwanga. Ntago yakuganga gukunda kamajeje. Ntago nkwanga gusa. Ubwo niba ntakwanga ngukora iki? Wena rukuzuza. Ubwo urankunda. Ugeze ukobera gakobwa atangira kwibuka mugenzi ubwo ari ku mazo na Radek. Ari marambaza ngo ati we na O'Malley umuyobozi wa CIA muzahura ryari? Nama yanyu ryari? Ati munamire ejo. Ati niko nshaka kumenya ibijyanye n'akazi. Ati koko mbanza ari bubigenze neza. Ntago nabikora.
Gangsters in the business breaks, that's
Ngane ibintu byo kujya muri business aba gangster cyangwa by'amabandi.
That's one thing politicians like.
Bisa nko guha mu kazi ka politiki.
I didn't sign up for this.
Ngane binaga ibyo nasabiye mu kazi.
I hear you, Victor.
Victor ndakumva ibyo mbwira.
Did you have an agreement with the agency?
gusa we agents cyangwa se we na CIA mwarumvikanye. You had an agreement with the agents.
Refused.
Kandi nuramuka wanze gukora akazi bagutumye.
You're a dead man.
Uri umupfu bro. Niko kazi twiyemeje.
Locate your family.
Byanga byakunda kabona nubwo wabura umuryango wawe bazawiga.
Every 6 months.
Mwana tubazana amezi 6.
If the agency cared about my family, they'd be gone already.
Ese n'umundi agency yakwita ku muryango itawe itawe n'umundi nzi ku muryango wanjye nawo mfite. Bameze nk'abanapfuye. Mugabo ashaka kuba retired.
Not necessarily this. This could be the out that we've been looking for.
Mwana ndakeka yari nzira kuvubura akazi twashakaga. Mwana ntago wacika gutyo bro.
But what if you didn't have to do this alone?
Ndana senda muzamana ndashaka kubikora njye nyine.
I mean, think about it.
Bitekerezo mwana tubikora twembi ducomoke hamwe.
Me, the girls.
Deba njyewe nawe nabo n'umugore wanjye n'umwana. Adamu yaranatwita kana kumunda.
I'll get them out.
Ati umuryango wawe ndawo nanawucikisha.
No matter what it takes.
Cyo byansaba cyose nzagikora. Mugenzi Veil yabwiye Rade ko azacikisha umuryango we. We mugeze abari marahigwa na CIA.
See you in Grizzly Pines.
Mwana tuzahurira ahandi bro. Muri Grizzly Pines. Kandi nacyo muvandi bari inshuti bahereye kera muri mafunzo kuri za kadete hose no mukazi barinze basaza mugenzi bagikorana. Nibyo abayibuka buri kanya. Komboyo.
Are we going through them now?
Ewe naza kubikemura.
Thank you.
Ameris. Yarana ni uko yakaryamye.
Shit kicked out of the ass.
Cyo kunywa cyangiza hasi nari naniwe. Yari cyane kuruhuka.
You on vacation?
Hasi we n'undi muri ka vacances.
I like to think of it as work from home.
Abanyambyita akazi nkorera mu rugo.
My team was able to trace the IP address from the ransom video.
Ati rwose dore ya ransom video ya video bohereje CIA yaka amafaranga.
I like to think of it as work from home.
Sasa ngo ikipe y'uyu mukobwa yagerageje kuba yakuraho ya video yaturutse. Ya video bohereje CIA bavuga ko ashaka miliyoni 100 z'amadolari mu buryo bw'ama Bitcoin.
Rail yard right outside the city.
Ati wabyohereje hanze y'umujyi.
I tell you. Patricio has Radek's tablet computer.
Ati mugenzi nibagiye kubwira yuko Patricio afite tablet y'uyu mugabo Radek.
Veil.
He's going through it. He'll let us know.
Areba arageza ko yayihakinga.
Couldn't find flies on a horse's ass.
Hakose Patricio uriya kwawe nk'uhazura umujyi yamenya gute biri muri tablet. Ya tablet bateura guha mande ya moto.
Need that tablet.
Yo tablet ndayikeneye.
Could have critical information about Radek's next moves.
Ahubwo bishaka kutwereka Radek akazi ari bukurikiza cyangwa umuntu ari bwice bwa kabiri.
My career is on the line.
Akazi kanje ndakazi no guhakinga.
Career.
Kariyeri yawe.
Is everything.
Ihindura buri kimwe. Sasa ngora mwamuzana tablet ashaka kuba yamenya umuntu Radek ari bukurikiza kwica.
You should just go home.
Wenda wataha.
If Costas finds out you're here,
Costas iramenya kuri hano.
We'll just prove he was right.
Araza kwereka isi yose ko yari ari mu kuri k'abakozi ba CIA bakiri mu bugiriki.
It's too much at stake.
Ubitekerezeho.
Send some people down there.
Reka nohereze abandi bantu.
How are you gonna do that?
Urabikora ute?
You should suspend it, remember?
Wibuka ko nawe usanga wirukanywe no mu kazi.
Look.
Eba hano.
This is something I have to do.
Hari ibintu ngomba gukora.
Radek was my friend.
Radek yari inshuti yanjye.
I wasn't able to save his family.
Usibye ko ntabwo nashoboye kuba natabara umuryango we.
I can still save him.
Ariko we namutabara. Sasa uyu mugabo ntabwo ashaka kwica inshuti magara, ahubwo ubwo atatabaye umuryango w'umugore n'umwana. Arashaka gutabara inshuti. Ati mwana witonde. Nimba ari umurabura agacomoka faturubizo. Genda utabara umuvandimwe wawe ariko tu bezi kwagira gutyo ugakotora. Hakuno gakobwa kakomeza kurira kuri za kamera kumbe umusenzi yakuyemo ako bavuganiragaho akirama kandi kujya avugana na Radek. Byose akajyega mukurikirana akanombozi.
O'Malley wants me on the first flight out here.
Ati ngo O'Malley yamamaga ngusubira muri Amerika.
What happened at the market?
Agora mubwiye ko ari umuntu afire mu isoko.
Good for your career.
Amubiki ibanga.
Look, it's clear to me that Radek isn't doing this for the money.
Ndabizi neza ko Radek birimo arakora atari marabikorera amafaranga.
Killing journalists.
Kwa Radek ari marica abanyamakuru.
Dream jobs.
Akora akazi ko kujyanga beshyire CIA.
He wants to punish the CIA.
Arashaka guhana CIA ayihane kubw'ibyo bamukoreye. Ebone Radek ari maravuga.
The money must be for someone else, but then
wasanga ari amafaranga ari umuntu Radek ashaka kuyaho.
Then I started to think.
Ariko natangiye gutekereza. Radek watse miliyoni 100 CIA z'amadolari. Mwana wazimuye cash wazimuye ma bitcoin.
He's working with Radek.
Ndimo natekereza wasanga umukuru wa CIA arimo arakorana na Radek.
Why would he send you?
None se niyo mpamvu yabaratumye bakohereza hano.
And that's when I realized.
Aho niho namenye yuko kamutunga imbunda.
waba warabuze ugufasha mu buvuzi bwa kinyarwanda gana muganga gakondo agufashe afasha abantu benshi kurokoka urupfu ndetse n'izindi ndwara zari kubagiraho ingaruka zikomeye kuko bagize amahitamo meza bakongera kubaho neza ubuzima kandi buzira umuze. Muganga gakondo afasha abantu bose gutandukana n'indwara zirimo nk'amarozi y'ubwoko bwose, nyabingi, ibihato, ibitegano, ibihuhirano, inyatsi ndetse n'igicuri, hakiyongeraho n'amarozi y'ibigaburano. Akarusho kandi ku ndwara y'umwijima, impyiko, igifu, kunanirwa gutera akabariro ku bashakanye ndetse n'indwara rubagimpande. Abafite ibyo bibazo bose muganga gakondo abakoraho rikaka. Kubifuza ubutunzi namwe ndetse n'uruhereko ni mugane muganga gakondo kuko mwe mwashyizwe igorora. Kuba tuye mahanga namwe igisubizo cyabonetse mwashyizwe igorora. Nta mpamvu yo gusiragira mu gahangayika mwibaza uko ubuvuzi bwabageraho kuko dukorana na DHA tukabagezaho imiti yacu.
Ese nuko wareze ifoto n'amazina tukabafashirizaho muri
ku bindi bisobanuro hamagara kuri nimero ya telefone ikurikira. Ku babuze urubyaro namwe muze muganga gakondo abiteho abahereze umuti hanyuma mugende mubyare burundu na kogasha. Erega hamagara nicyo gishoro dufite giko.